I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Choose a 5-7 kg barn-raised goat with good marbling and no sour odor. Pick meat with even color and firm texture. Trim external fat to about 3.5 mm and remove silver skin where possible, then rinse briefly under cold water with 1 tablespoon vinegar to reduce surface bacteria. Pat dry with paper towels. Cut the carcass into 6 to 8 even portions so pieces cook uniformly. Then set them on a tray and chill for 30 minutes to firm muscle fibers before marinating. Make a marinade with 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon grated ginger to tenderize and flavor. Add 1 tablespoon garam masala and 3 cloves crushed garlic for deep, rounded complexity. Massage the marinade into the meat, ensuring inside joints receive coating. Then seal in a container and marinate for 6 to 12 hours in the refrigerator for best penetration. Remove meat 30 minutes before cooking to come toward room temperature for even heat transfer. Preheat oven to 180 degrees C and place marinated goat pieces on a rack over a roasting pan to allow airflow. Roast for 1 hour 30 minutes at 180 degrees C for even cooking. For a crisp exterior, raise oven to 220 degrees C for the final 10 minutes to brown the crust. Verify doneness with a thermometer. Internal temperature should reach 75 degrees C. Remove and rest the meat for 15 minutes to retain juices. Then slice across the grain and serve with lemon wedges, fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.